What's the matter?
You feel this?
Yeah. Yes? Yes?
It's raining.
I know, it's only rain, though.
It's more than just rain, Doc.
Listen, 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 listen,
It's over now. That's what the rain means. It's over. This whole terrible ordeal is over. It's over, and they're rejoicing in heaven tonight just like I'm rejoicing here on earth because you are back. You are